Hello, 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 hello. So welcome back to my channel. This is video 3 of a series of Amazon fulfillment, FBA, so fulfilled by Amazon, which means you're sending your product in to Amazon warehouses located all over the country. So you're not only sending to one place. So I'm going to go ahead and do one run of actually listing my product. So my product's already listed now in my store. Now I want to tell Amazon I'm going to ship you this inventory. So this is the process I'm going to go through. So the first step is obviously to go into my dashboard and click on the product that I want to go through. So in this case, the product is going to be, I don't even know if this is recording correctly because every time it doesn't want me to click. It seems I can't click, which is bizarre. What is the point of recording without being able to click? So I'm going to click on this screen, bring back the recorder. So as you can see here, I clicked on the edit button. We're going to go all the way down to change to fulfilled by merchant. That's if I want to be the one who ships. I'm never going to do that. That's too much work for me. Send replenish inventory, set replenishment alerts, create removal, create fulfillment order, print item labels, close listing, blah, blah, blah. We're going to start with create print item labels. Print item labels, is that what we want to do? Yes, it is what we want to do today. Okay, so this is the print label. They have already set the SKU, which actually identifies myself, identifies the product. And I'm going to print this and then it will be on and then I place the label on my product. And when I send it in, it's already labeled for Amazon. If you don't do that, Amazon will do it for you and they will charge you a fee for it. You don't want to do that. This is a very simple process. As you can see, it's clicking one button, print, stick it, that's it. Okay. Great. So I'm going to click return to inventory list. So I'm going to click return to inventory list right here. Drop down over here, edit, drop down. Send replenish inventory.